All under one roof, 15 participants representing a wealth of knowledge, resources and experience in emergency management in Niue gathered this week for a strategic planning workshop in the nation's capital, Alofi. The purpose? To formulate a roadmap that will guide the development and strengthening of emergency management in the country over the next 4 years.
Well, what we've found in the past is when donors come to government or to agencies and ask them, how could we assist? They usually have a shopping list like, oh, I would like a new fire truck, or we need training. But there's a lot of other things that need to be done. One of the key ones is leadership and mentoring. The other one is looking at capability versus capacity. This roadmap is designed to be able to assist not only SPC, but agencies like the New Zealand Fire Service, the Ministry of Civil Defence, or MACDEM from New Zealand, and other donors around the Pacific and internationally, when they're looking at Niue and what they want to do. If they want to support the police, the fire service, emergency services, at least we have a roadmap that's able to guide what we want to do in the future.
The Pacific Islands Emergency Management Alliance, PIMA, based at the Secretariat of the Pacific Community SPC, conducted the workshop in collaboration with the New Zealand Fire Service and with funding support from the European Union's Building Safety and Resilience in the Pacific project. Niue is the second Pacific Island nation under the project to undertake this planning process and is one of the first in the region with plans to develop a joint emergency management centre.
We learnt quite a few lessons off Cyclone Hata, and I think it was all about coordinating, knowing who that person was, knowing who you could turn to for help. I think the assistance throughout the whole country was quite spread out, so we really didn't have a coordinating process. So the whole idea behind this workshop is to bring those agencies together and how we can spread ourselves out with the numbers that we've got to be more effective. We're looking at putting the emergency agencies all together. We're also looking at reviewing the disaster plans so that we could incorporate the agencies coming together. We're also looking at reviewing the legislation that will be able to give us more leverage to ensure that agencies do understand that we're no longer separate or independent, but rather we're one unit.
In closing the two-day workshop, SPC's Director General reiterated the organization's commitment to working alongside Niue to assist with its development priorities.
And really what we do as agencies to come in to assist is to help to build on your experiences, your knowledge. It's not about introducing some foreign notion, because you know what works in communities like this. You know what doesn't work. And our job is to help you, give you new tools, new knowledge from experiences elsewhere. That's all it is. And it's a real pleasure for SPC to be here, to be involved.
The outcomes from this workshop will feed into the Building Safety and Resilience Project National Steering Committee meeting that will be held in Niue on the 23rd and 26th of February. Lauren Robinson, SPC News.